Stuck in my freaking hair. Fidget spinner. Stuck in my hair. Get it out. Okay. Got it. Oh, I actually prefer it without the caps on. Sometimes with the cap, I just 10 times better. Especially when you factor in hip replacement. Wow. With that kind of skill, he could grow up to be a professional assassin. Right there. Few more hours, she'll have all the bubbles out of the asphalt. Pretty good. I'll be showing you how to do. So you wanna first like this, like, and then hit it. You know, like that, or like that. I personally like this, but I can do it like this. But this one is the easiest because you have two things to bounce on and it's very stable. So the first trick, this one, you want to place, when you get it started, you know how to do that, and then after you do that, you want to carefully take your thumb off. You want to start with the middle finger, like you can just run it and you put your middle finger on and take your thumb off. Once you take your middle finger off, well, actually don't. Do not do that. So, just want to do that. And you just want to practice doing it like that. And then that'll help you do it better. If you know this is harder, do the hard first and the easy. I say. Second way I was talking about, this way. You want to start like this. Spin it. And then just thumb off. Now it's the same way everyone, but you just want to practice it. And then the last, final way. My cap just came off. If this show was America's Funniest Host, you'd be looking at video. Crystal right now. But I'm cool with that because all the same steps for everyone. So same step, get a good spin, practice doing that because practice makes perfect. That's harder. And then boom, there you go. That's how you do it. I'll see you. The other kids in the neighborhood run through the sprinklers. Billy and Jamie are the sprinklers. So please subscribe to my channel. Check out the little fun. Bye.